Guy Madison, born Robert Ozell Mosley on January 19, 1922, in Kern County, California, is remembered as one of Hollywood's iconic faces of the 1940s and 1950s. Known for his rugged charm, boy next door appeal, and portrayal of Wild Bill Hickok, Madison captivated audiences on television and in films. Yet behind the polished image of cowboy hats and heroic roles, his life was far more complex than the public ever realized. Raised during the Great Depression, Madison's early years instilled resilience, humility, and a strong work ethic that would serve him throughout his career. His later revelations about secret relationships with gay actors of his era highlight the struggles and human vulnerabilities hidden behind Hollywood glamour. By exploring Madison's life, from his rise in entertainment to his private love and personal challenges, one gains insight into the dual realities of fame: the celebrated public persona and the deeply private man navigating a world constrained by expectation, secrecy, and societal norms. Early life and military service. Guy Madison grew up in a small-town environment shaped by the economic hardship of the Great Depression. Raised with modest means, he initially planned a career in agriculture, studying animal husbandry at Bakersfield College. His aspirations shifted when World War II erupted and he enlisted in the United States Navy. Serving as a radio operator in the Pacific, Madison developed discipline, humility, and a strong sense of duty, qualities that would later translate seamlessly to his acting career. This formative period also exposed him to the values of camaraderie, resilience, and adaptability, traits that would define both his professional life and personal relationships. A brief leave in Hollywood changed the trajectory of his life, introducing him to talent agent Henry Wilson and the possibility of cinematic stardom. Madison's early years illustrate a man molded by responsibility and circumstance, whose sense of duty extended beyond service to a commitment to craft, career, and personal integrity. Breakthrough in Hollywood. In 1944, Madison made his first appearance on screen with a small, uncredited role in Since You Went Away. Though inexperienced, he captured public attention with his clean-cut soldier persona and natural charisma. Signed to a contract with David O. Selznick, Madison quickly moved into lead roles, including Till the End of Time and Honeymoon, which helped cement his reputation as the all-American hero. His early performances, while sometimes critiqued for technical limitations, resonated with audiences due to his authenticity and earnest screen presence. Madison's appeal stemmed from his relatability and integrity, reflecting the values of his upbringing. This period established him as a rising star who could embody both stoic heroism and accessible warmth. The combination of physical charm, professionalism, and relatability allowed Madison to carve a lasting place in Hollywood's golden era, setting the stage for his eventual success in television and his enduring association with iconic roles in the Western genre. Wild Bill Hickok and television fame. Madison's most enduring legacy came with his starring role in The Adventures of Wild Bill Hickok, which aired from 1951 to 1958. The series portrayed the frontier marshal with a mix of stoicism, heroism, and approachability, and Madison's portrayal made him an instant cultural icon. Paired with sidekick Jingles, played by Andy Devine, Madison brought warmth and humanity to a genre often defined by toughness and stoicism. The show was simultaneously broadcast on radio and television, reaching millions of viewers and embedding Madison's image into popular culture. From lunchboxes to comic books, his face symbolized integrity, heroism, and all-American charm. Madison's professionalism, public accessibility, and gracious interactions with fans contributed to his reputation as a wholesome, approachable star. The success of Wild Bill Hickok reinforced the importance of authenticity in performance and solidified Madison's identity as a leading figure in the golden age of westerns, making him a cherished figure among children and adults alike. Film career and European ventures. While Madison achieved fame on television, he continued acting in feature films throughout the 1950s and 1960s, particularly in westerns and adventure films. Notable projects included The Charge at Feather River, celebrated for its innovative 3D sound effects. As American westerns declined in popularity, Madison shifted much of his work overseas. Starring in Italian spaghetti westerns and war films, these productions allowed him to remain active in the industry while exposing him to international audiences. Despite often working in lower budget films, Madison maintained professionalism, integrity, and a commitment to his craft. European projects not only extended his career but also diversified his artistic experience. This period illustrates Madison's adaptability, resilience, and dedication, reflecting his ability to navigate changes in the entertainment landscape while maintaining his reputation for reliability, charisma, and earnest portrayals, even when the glamour and scale of Hollywood projects were no longer his primary focus. Personal life and marriages. Madison's private life was marked by complexity and personal challenges. He first married actress Gail Russell in 1949, a union fraught with difficulties due to Russell's struggles with social anxiety and alcoholism. Their relationship ended in 1954, despite Madison's initial support and affection. Shortly thereafter, he married Sheila Connolly in Mexico, a marriage that produced 3 daughters, Bridget, Aaron, and Dolly. Although initially stable, the marriage dissolved by 1963, highlighting the strains of balancing a Hollywood career with family responsibilities. Madison's relationships reflect both the challenges of personal life in the entertainment industry and his consistent effort to remain compassionate and engaged, particularly with his children. These chapters of Madison's life illustrate his humanity beyond the public persona, showing a man striving for love, stability, and connection amidst professional demands and the pressures of fame. Romantic relationships and secret love beyond public marriages. Madison's personal narrative reveals intimate relationships kept private due to the constraints of mid-century Hollywood. Posthumously, he disclosed romantic connections with several fellow actors, including Ramon Novarro, Tyrone Power, Anthony Perkins, and Rock Hudson. These relationships were characterized by discretion, coded communication, and cautious meetings, reflecting the dangers of exposure in a time when homosexuality could destroy careers. Madison describes these connections with warmth, respect, and nuance, emphasizing emotional depth over sensationalism. These accounts shed light on the hidden lives of LGBTQ+ individuals in Hollywood, highlighting both the struggles of secrecy and the joy found in moments of genuine human connection. Madison's reflections reveal a life navigated with courage and sensitivity, balancing personal authenticity with professional survival while preserving dignity in an era of limited acceptance. Memoir and posthumous revelations. Madison's memoir, compiled from interviews and personal letters, is both revelatory and reflective, offering a candid look at his private life. He describes furtive but meaningful relationships with fellow actors, the pressures of studio contracts, and the anxiety of hiding his true identity. His accounts illuminate the emotional toll of secrecy and the challenges of living authentically in a rigidly moralistic Hollywood system. Yet the memoir also celebrates quiet triumphs, intimate moments of joy, and resilience. Madison's storytelling conveys compassion, nostalgia, and reverence for his peers, emphasizing shared experience over scandal. By telling his story, Madison posthumously reclaims his own narrative while honoring others who lived and loved quietly. His reflections contribute to a broader understanding of the emotional landscape of Hollywood's golden age, illustrating the courage, creativity, and humanity of LGBTQ+ actors who were often forced into the shadows. Conclusion: a life of courage and authenticity. Guy. Madison's life is a study in duality, public success and private complexity, fame and secrecy, love and resilience. From his early years in the Great Depression to television stardom and international film work, Madison consistently navigated challenges with professionalism and integrity. His posthumous revelations about romantic relationships and hidden struggles provide insight into the emotional realities of Hollywood's golden age, particularly for LGBTQ+ actors. Madison's story emphasizes both courage and compassion, illustrating a life lived with dignity, sensitivity, and dedication. By sharing his truths and honoring the experiences of others, he enriches our understanding of Hollywood history and human experience, demonstrating that even amidst public adulation, private resilience, connection, and authenticity define a life worth celebrating.